Welcome to this edition of Train for Aptitude. This is the fourth session on the concept of work and time problems. Let us go through the problem first. The work contractor employs a total of 2 men and 6 women for his various construction projects. He has received a new project which he estimates that if he employs only the men working on it could finish it in 4 days. Alternatively, if he employs only women to do the work, they would complete it in 5 days. He begins the project by employing all the resources he had. After 2 days, he got a new project to work on and shifts 1 man and 3 women from the current project to the new one. How many more days would the remaining team take to finish the project? A. 1 day. B. 2 days. C. It is already completed. D. Cannot be determined. Let us now begin visualizing the problem at hand. We have a construction project. Let us assume it is the same wall that we are constructing. We have 2 men and 6 women in the team. The work done by them is represented through the color scheme specified. We could visualize 2 men working on the project simultaneously and completing it in 4 days to resemble something like the diagram shown. We could visualize 6 women working on the project simultaneously and completing it in 5 days to resemble something like the diagram shown. The quantum of work completed by the 2 groups working independently in 2 days could be visualized as shown in the diagram. We now overlay their individual category work onto the total work 100% towards which they were jointly working as per the problem for 2 days. So the amount of work 100% assigned is what the new group formation attempts to complete at the new pace. Let us look at the calculation with this in mind. From the principles we learned in the earlier sessions, we can quickly come to realize that 1 man would do 1/8 of the work in a day, while a woman would do 1/30 of the task in a day. Now let's form a team of 2 men and 6 women and see how much of work they do in a day. This is 2 into 1/8 plus 6 into 1/30. This would amount to 9/20 of the task being completed. Over the 2-day period, this would be 2 into 9/20, which is 18/20 or 90%. The remaining work thus is 10% of the overall task. It is mentioned in the case that, after 2 days, 1 man and 3 women leave. So we are left with 1 man and 3 women to do the remaining task. This new team would work at the rate given by 1 into 1/8 plus 3 into 1/30, which is 9/40, or in percentage terms 22.5%. Clearly, the capacity of 22.5% of the work being completed in a day is greater than the remaining 10% of the work. This means the team would do the work in less than a day. We can thus round off the answer to the closest complete day, and so the answer is 1 day. We could now generalize this finding and solve the problems at hand using the following steps. Step 1. Calculate how much of the work could be done by an individual in each category. Step 2. Calculate how much of the work can be done by the initial configuration of the team in a day. Step 3. Multiply the answer of Step 1 with the number of days they work together. Step 4. Subtract the percentage of the work they complete from 100%. Step 5. Find the work that the new team configuration would do in a single day, and convert this into percentage terms. Step 6. Divide the percentage of work remaining by the percentage of work that is completed every day. Step 7. Round this answer to the next closest full day. This would be the correct answer. Thank you for watching Train for Aptitude.